Earlier this month, Apple dropped the iPhone 16 series, and the Pro models, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, come with super slim bezels that are even thinner than those on the previous versions and Samsung's Galaxy S24 series. This has led to quite a bit of criticism for Samsung. But don't count them out just yet. The upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to outshine Apple's latest offerings. According to Ish Universe on X, the S25 Ultra will sport bezels that are 0.2 millimeters thinner than the Galaxy S24 Ultra, making it even sleeker than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. There's more to it, though. The insider also shared a new render of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which looks pretty much the same as earlier leaks, showcasing a display with rounder corners compared to its predecessor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to have a 6.9-inch display, just like the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but with those thinner bezels, it should feel a bit shorter and narrower, making it easier to grip. Besides that, IC Universe has also mentioned that the camera rings on the Galaxy S25 Ultra measure 2.4 millimeters in thickness. That's significantly slimmer than the iPhone 16 Pro Max's camera bump, which is 4.3 millimeters deep. Given the ongoing competition between the Galaxy S series and iPhones, we can expect the rear camera performance of the Galaxy S25 Ultra to be on par with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. However, the thinner camera rings are pretty impressive. This just goes to show that Samsung is leading the way in hardware design and packaging compared to Apple. Earlier this month, some leaked images of the Galaxy S25 Ultra showed that it has a profile of just 8.2 millimeters, making it 0.4 millimeters slimmer than the Galaxy S24 Ultra and 0.1 millimeters thinner than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Those sleeker camera rings might be a key reason for the more streamlined design of Samsung's upcoming flagship. IC Universe also pointed out that holding the S25 Ultra feels like a slightly bulkier and more squared-off version of the S25 Plus. He even suggested that the upcoming S25 Plus might not stand out much. He backed this up by saying he has a more precise CAD render than OnLeaks, which includes some previously missing details. All in all, it seems like Samsung is really focusing on the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, making it a notable upgrade over its predecessor and giving it a more compact and appealing look compared to its competitors. So, what do you think about these new insights from IC Universe? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and for more updates, don't forget to check out our channel. Catch you all in the next one, and until then, take care.